Gravity Forms allows you to create many different kinds of forms for your website, from simple contact forms to complex application forms. You can access Gravity Forms by clicking on Forms in the left-hand sidebar. Here you will see all of the forms you have set up on your website. Each form has an ID and a title. You'll also see some statistics about each form, including the number of times a form has been viewed, how many people have filled out the form, which is known as an entry, and the conversion rate of each form. If the toggle switch is set to green, then this indicates the form is active, meaning the form is currently in use. You can make a form inactive by turning the toggle switch off. This means the form will not appear on the front end of your website. To create a new form, click Add New. Give your form a title, then add a brief description if you wish, and click on Create Form. You are now in the Form Editor. This is where you can add fields to your form. There are a lot of options on this page which we will cover in more detail in other videos. For now, though, we're going to make a simple contact form and put the form on a page. The first thing we will do is select a field type. On our simple contact form, all we want is a name and an email field. Gravity Forms has some commonly used fields in the Advanced Fields panel. To add the name field, simply click on the Name button and it will be added to your form. Next, add an email field by clicking the Email button. Now we have our simple contact form. To save the form, click Update Form. The form has now been saved. At this point, we can preview the form by clicking on the Preview button. Please note that this is just a preview, and the form will probably not look like this on your website. However, it is a good idea to double-check you have all the fields you want on your form. If you decide you want the email field to be above the name field, you can simply drag and drop the fields to reorder them. Then click Update Form to save your changes. Now that you have made your form, you'll need to add it to a page. Hover over Pages and click Add New from the flyout menu. Enter a title for the new page. An extra button has appeared above the editor's toolbar called Add Form. From here, you can choose your form from the drop-down menu. You can display the form title and the form description if you wish. Enable Ajax means the form will submit on the same page rather than reloading the page. We're going to check this to turn it on. Finally, click Insert Form. This will insert a shortcode into your editor, which when your page is displayed on the front end, will tell Gravity Forms to display the actual form. Now click Publish to publish the page. To view the form, click View Page. The form will now appear on your website. Please watch the other videos to learn more about creating forms and viewing the entries when people fill in your forms.